Very good, my friends. In today's video we are going to adjust the tension of the Suzuki Gladius 650. It may work for other motorbikes, Suzuki and maybe other types of motorbikes, because this procedure is quite common and easy to do. Basically, and I'm going to explain you very fast. First, we are going to lose a little bit this knot here, and then we are going to lose this one also. And then from the other side, this one. We need that the chains only have 1 centimeter, and now it's like 3 or 4 centimeters. It's going quite high. That is not what we want. Okay, let's go. Now we are here, we need the Allen key number 5. We are going to adjust this. We have to take in consideration these marks that have here. We have to put them the same in both sides. If we want to adjust it better, we can mount this plastic here. That is what I'm going to do first, so we will see if the chain is properly aligned with the engine. Okay, let's remove this first and then we continue. Okay, let's go. Let's remove this one first. Okay, now the other one that is right here. These 2 screws there, and now we need to remove 2 more. This one here and this one there. Let's go. Okay, and remove the last one of the 2 screws that they are there inside. Okay, nice. Now we can easily remove this plastic piece here, and now we can access properly to the chain. We are going to use these marks here to adjust the chain. Okay, we need a little bit more tension, so let's go. We need more or less 1 centimeter. Okay. A little bit more. In position 8 centimeters, and we can move it to 7 centimeters. Like this is fine. Now we go to the other side. Let's take a look to the mark. We have to put it in the same position there. Okay. Now we are in the other side of the motorbike, and let's put it in the same position. Okay. Was already in the position, but with no tension. Okay, let's compare this one and the other one. Now we are going to check the alignment, and as you can see, it's perfectly straight. So now we can fix back this nut to fix everything. Let's take a last look to the tension. Let's see, we still having 1 centimeter there. Yes, yes, 1 centimeter. Very strong. Now we are going to put some grease to the chain. Now that the plastic is not there, I'm going to put some lithium grease. Like this, a little bit here, a little bit there. Okay. And now we are going to move the motorbike to extend the grease around the chain. Well, it will finish to extend later. Okay, let's put the plastic back. There. Good words, smooth, no problem. Leave now a comment and let me know what I should do next to the motorbike, and I will try to do it. I hope this video has been useful for you. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. See you next video, Mr. White? Yes? See you. Are you going to eat the camera? Give me 5. Give me 5. Wait.